Hi everyone, this is the second installment on how to create your fake Instagram post. So we've talked about the fact that you can use the back of your assignment sheet to create your Instagram post by hand, or you can use Adobe Spark to create it digitally. This is the third option. It's called generatestatus.com. You can use this one. This one is my favorite of the three options because it's the easiest to use. So the generate status option would be to go click the link in Google Classroom and make it here to the generate status website. And it's going to tell you a little bit about how to use it. It's very, very easy though. I do not anticipate any of you having problems. So as you can see, we have a fake Instagram post here on the left side. There's a name for this Instagram user, how long ago it was posted, the photo, how many likes, a like, a comment, or reshare button, and then the post itself. So we're going to go ahead and start with all of those things and create it. So the profile photo is your photo. You can pick a photo of yourself, but it must be school appropriate. Go ahead and upload it there. You just choose the file, and then you can choose the file from your Chromebook that you wish to use. It will put it right there. It may not look like anything in here, but the file name will appear right here. That's okay. When you hit save, it will go ahead and move into your post. The next thing that you need is your post image. Please do not forget you must use the public domain photos. You may not use a photo from Google. That's just to protect the copyright laws and the rights of the owner. So we are going to click a photo that I want. So this is my photo that I'm using for this project. I'm going to hit open. As you can see, the name of the photo is going to appear here, and then if you look to the right, the photo changed on the example. So I'm going to forgot to choose my teacher photo, so I'm going to go ahead and pick one of myself. There's me and my best friend. And so then I'm going to change my name. So I'm going to put Miss Connolly. Yours is going to be your first and last name. Okay, your first and last name. That way when I'm looking at your Instagram post, I can see whose it is very easily so that I don't get you confused. If you write mac and cheese lover, I won't know who you are and I won't be able to give you your points, okay? So then you can either make it 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, a year ago, whenever you would like to make it. You can do as many likes as you want, doesn't matter to me. And here is the important part. The message, you need to delete the message that's already there. It's just gibberish as an example. And then you are going to write your slogan and your hashtag here in the message section. So I'm going to put all students deserve an education. And then I'm going to put hashtag I stand with Malala. Hashtag education. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to put my hashtags. I'm going to put my slogan. Yours should be a little bit longer than mine. Mine's just an example. But as you can see, it has created. So oh, my picture's upside down. But you're going to go ahead and make sure that that is complete, that you filled it all in. Then when you're finished, you're going to come up here to this yellow button that says Save It, and you're going to click it. It will give you a link. You're going to go ahead and copy that link and paste it into the Google Classroom assignment. You're also going to download this to your desktop. That way, if for whatever reason something happens and it doesn't save, then you can go ahead and bring that up from your desktop and it won't be any problems. Okay, if you have questions, please email me and I'm looking forward to seeing all of your wonderful creations.